Hello, this is Rebecca Weddell, Independent Lilla Rose Stylist. Today I'm going to show you a headband hair hack. Oh my goodness. This is a Lilla Rose hairband. We have beaded, we have faux leather, we have real leather ones that are suede. They have, both of these have the nice grippy on the back, the natural grip, so it doesn't slide. We also have some nice fabric beaded ones also that just came out not too long ago. But today I'm going to show you the hair hack for the beaded ones. And this one is retired, just to let you know. I do have a couple other ones in my inventory. I mean, they're absolutely gorgeous, but this is the one that I own, so I'm going to use that one. Isn't that gorgeous? There's a flexi that matches that one. It's called Colors on Parade. So pretty. Okay, so you know how a lot of ladies say, oh, headbands never stay in my hair, headbands just don't work on my head. I'm the same way. I have not been able to wear a headband, even the Lilla Rose ones, because I have a flat back, a straight. I do not have the little ridge that you need to be able to wear headbands. And another stylist mentioned a couple of months ago that their customer came to them and showed them this hack. So I am going to show you what she shared with all of us. So I am not going to put on the back, the adjustable back that we recommend for all the headbands. If you do not have a ridge on the back of your back of your head, sorry guys, this is not, these will not work for you either. I have tried and I have tried and I have tried to no avail, and I just ended up giving most of my headbands that I had collected, hoping to be able to wear one of them. Most of them are in my daughter's collection, but I will be taking them back because I am not going to use the back elastic, or it's not an elastic, it's a stretch, like a nylon band. It's just kind of like pantyhose, if you will. But I took mine off, and they have the lobster claw clasps, and it leaves just the jump rings. If you're into jewelry making, bead jewelry making, you know what a jump ring is. This is how you make the necklace. If you wanted to make a necklace, you would put on our necklace extender on this and wear it as a necklace. Today, I am going to show you how to use our Strong Hold Bobbies and this to actually be able to wear a headband no matter what. Everybody thinks that the beads are going to roll around. They are at the second, but you can see it's not picking up my hair. It's not going to catch on your hair. Even curly hair girls can wear these. So what I'm going to do is use our Strong Hold Bobbies and put one bobby pin on each jump ring. There we go. And our bobby pins do have a 1-year warranty on their grip. I do not recommend you put them in your mouth. You open them like this, and then you put them in. So what I'm going to do is put this on my hair like this and kind of see just feel where I need to put the bobby pins and do one bobby pin at a time. So we will start with this bobby pin, and I'm going to just put it in, and you can use our plain bobbies or you can use the decorated. I'm using decorated so you can kind of see what I'm doing. And then just trying to get my fingers in the correct position. See? Oh my goodness. I can't believe I can finally wear our hair bands. And I still have some give. But oh my goodness gracious. It actually works. Sorry guys, I have a little piece of fuzz in my hair. But yeah, look. Oh my gosh. You can put a little blingy one that actually matches. I mean, if you had the gold one, you could get a gold set and have some bling going on. Ooh, this one. There are matching bobbies for this one, the Tranquility. I'm sure that there's something that goes with the Montana ones. I mean, even with the pearl, the all pearls, or even, let's see here. I don't want to get this all. I have a bunch of these in my inventory that I sell at different shows. We have this gorgeous one. I believe it's called Victoria. And then we have the all pearl one. And we do have a whole bunch of pearl bobbies to choose from, and you could just put pearl bobbies. Oh, I am just loving this. And I can shake my head. I can do this. And I have it in my hair. I can finally, this is the first time I've tried it. I wanted to try it first in front of you guys. So if it didn't work, then, but this is so cool. Oh, this was the first headband I bought when I was first stylist with Lilla Rose. But anyway, with this one, the freestyle, oh my gosh, there are so many bobbies. There's the jet black beads. You could get all kinds of them. And I was gonna show, we also, here are our deluxe bobbies. These things are awesome. They're a little thicker, and they do not have a, what do you call it? Let me take these out. And this is how you take them out. You just hold the hair and you just slide them backwards. You do not, or you can try to pry them open. The O-ring. There we go. The O-ring was getting caught. There we go. So I'll just let that hang for a second. But the normal bobbies have the, it's not silicone. I'm not sure what they call it, but it has that clear end to protect your head, to make sure it doesn't scrape your head. These deluxe bobbies, I don't know, there you go. You can see it. These have metal balls on the ends. These are awesome. If you have thick hair, I would highly recommend that you think about getting the deluxe plain ones. If you're wanting to do any kind of hair art or anything, and boy, my hair just doesn't want to stay today. Okay, anyway, I highly recommend the deluxe plain ones. I mean, I love the plain regular ones, and let's see here. I have a whole bunch of them right here. Yeah, and they come in a pack of 8, and they have 4 different finishes. There's black nickel, there's rose gold, and then there's brass. So, I mean, 4 different color choices for you. The deluxe come in the same, but they only come in a 4-pack because they're so much nicer. But anyway, this is kind of how the bobby pins can come. I don't have any of my beaded ones with me, but yeah, I mean, this is just awesome. I am so excited that I can finally wear, oh. I am so excited that I can wear this and not have to worry. Let's get that down there again so I can get it in my hair again. This is just amazing. I cannot believe. Oh, okay. There we go. I have to have my hair, or my hands in the right position. There we go. So awesome. Cool. Okay, if you like this hack, make sure you comment below. I will have my website and all my information in the information box below if you are watching this on YouTube. And I hope that you have a wonderful day. Have a great day. Bye, guys.